Can recurring ant infestations in lawns indicate deeper soil problems that need attention? Persistent ant activity often reflects soil conditions that favor their nesting, such as compacted layers, low organic matter, poor drainage, or excessively sandy fill that dries quickly. Start by performing a systematic soil test across the yard using a home kit or a laboratory service to measure pH, nutrient levels, and organic matter, and compare results to local turf recommendations. If pH is off by more than 1 unit from the recommended range for your grass species, apply the appropriate lime or sulfur slowly and retest after 1 growing season. For low organic matter, incorporate 1 to 2 inches of compost into the top 3 to 4 inches of soil by top dressing and lightly raking, then water to settle the material. This improves moisture retention and microbial activity that can reduce ant suitability. Where compaction is present, core aerate in 2 directions at peak growth time for the turf, leaving plugs on the surface to break down naturally, and follow with a light fertilizer based on your soil test to support turf recovery. If the underlying fill is overly sandy and dries too fast, consider replacing or blending it with loam and compost when doing larger renovations so the finished root zone holds moisture and resists nesting. 3 common mistakes are treating only the visible mounds without fixing soil conditions, which gives ants a place to return. Address this by combining targeted treatments for active nests with the soil improvements above. Another error is relying solely on broad application insecticides, which can suppress ants temporarily but harm beneficial predators and soil life. Use targeted baits during foraging periods and reserve contact treatments for severe nests while prioritizing cultural fixes. Homeowners also often ignore drainage problems that create alternating wet and dry zones attractive to different ant species. Correct surface grading, clear, clogged drains, and add soil amendments to balance moisture to reduce habitat variability. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and where contractors can find work that fits their skills and availability. We host a discussion community so users can share experiences about soil testing, amendments, pest control approaches, and contractor recommendations.